Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS 14+, a Google account, and a project name. Next, install the Firebase CLI globally and run Firebase login to link your account. Once done, CD into your app folder and run Firebase in it. Pick the features you need: hosting, Firestore, authentication, and accept default files when asked. This gets core config files in place so you can deploy and test quickly, and it lets Firebase scaffold security and hosting rules for you. Now integrate Firebase into your code. Import the SDK or CDN and initialize with the config keys you copied from console. Put secrets and environment variables to avoid exposing them. Then wire up authentication providers like email or Google and create Firestore collections with clear rules for read/write. For safer development, start the local emulator suite, auth, Firestore, and hosting, so you can iterate without touching production. Make sure to test flows and security rules locally until behavior matches expectations. Finish by building your app and deploying. Run your build script, then Firebase deploy, or target only hosting, functions, or Firestore with only. After deployment, verify auth sign-ins and database reads in the console and test app flows in a private browser window. If something breaks, check real-time logs and emulator traces. Most issues are rule misconfigurations or wrong config keys. One key troubleshooting tip: if auth or database denies requests, review Firestore rules and enable debug logging to see which rule blocked the operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.